ebya Omega nibyo
agenda akoresha Omega kandi abarabe batagira rugogo bagende bamusupporting okuyaho nanye nko muntu niba basa kuba bamuhire sente and she's doing a business. Music is business. She has to go and work. Banza nyone chivure chinkabanza kwanga kuchigambo kuna yanjire nija. One time I was talking to Josh, manager wa Roy, na mjanto gambira mushija wa watu sente ntimwe mukadge.
Alright, I Sankole Media thing this. I'm a sober Sparks and one savage on it. Yes, it's a spotlight. Yes, tuza kusedinga insights ninga kutera tochi omunsonga ezibiro mu entertainment industry ya Western Uganda. Kind of course no mani mbangine bezin zeje serembo ambara twakwachira Nkole Media.
Ninyi nachera nanye nabachera bakutureba kandi nsima buri muntu wena otwire nare Nkole Media ojitwireho ari ku following Sparks ku following Beazin. You've been following DM Swaga Jeshari mwiza abantu bona bamugezere ngo niwe tukwenda
cyatariko nabako.
Hey, so honorable DM Swaga yani ito tuchamwita DM Swaga
ari bataringa
bataba politicians naone batabara. So bataringa ya Ronald, thank you so much. Our CEO Ningashi, our team leader Nkole Media na company zona Super Graphics, Nkole Comedy, many others. Ntubachira.
Okay, so Beazini ebintu byo twine byinji byo kuganira herizoba abantu kazombuyaga bwa ka China cyatarakoze abantu haraba
hayi no buyaga bwa ka China
obuyaga haruba kaburi
obuyaga bwa ka China obuyaga noreba ncibakiri nko kutetuka kugambe kintu ngori kutetuka tinkuma uko ndati
uje kubafana ya Nkole serious it's fun
ati nyobwiro bwinji na ebe bintu challenge nkancira kuzifuna ati nyona nabanisha bo mwice ndi serious nana mangu ninzana abo kujo bwiro bwinji nicira kubashaba ndikuzana ndikutera buyaga so nchiba serious nabwe bamangu I'm not serious ati mferwa nsyo reba nabe rugaho.
So echasinjire kuntangaza buyaga by the way kugira ngo omusaka tanga kurangorwa kasatu so the next Wednesday but still yatera full house azo bwishike so yagati ya wiki y'urwa kasatu kaka considering no bwire buce buya advertising ngere kaka gwese kuyabirero weekend kuya advertise for one for like
one. First of all izina ka China okarishangaho ukazarwa washangariro
hemero mu myinjira na actor no comedian nine MC radio presenter TV presenter teshataka kuza.
So ka China nko muntu ayene buri kimwe cone kujemesereza abantu no kwimuka akasheshe akata status ye yaterizo batu meetinga bakije status yonka abanye expecting eche ka China ine contact seze kurenga 15 eche ngai hati nyona nyine 13 ati kando nashanka China wariho nyonyine 13 nzina with the proof the contacts ezirya so azezo nezigya WhatsApp taruboba abanyacharo bito batakagira WhatsApp. So ntimensanti ka China okwimuka karanga sho mbwire buce buryo buyaga bwa ka China kandi akatomwanya guri rubare ntungamo not imbarati Kampala tinkai akatarubare oroda abantu abakuba babasibire nibamureba TV nimane wenda bamugugana. Show yagaruka yagirangaho legend of comedy Amoto Mubaranguzi
yaba barangura
izina ryo Amoto wowe nka yayemerera atajeje yagamba you see comedy so ntukanore ya comedy je ncemanyisa ngo obuyaga bwa ka China bukabukire kora kandi bukaba successful. I myself I was there, I witnessed everything. Chosha na mtera mo rushece rwanje
kureba ko no musimbo pipeline bakamutera nkoro wazinga
aza chinde takonjireho chingwe namanyisa abantu naniwe oyine kuchikwata korobe utakachimanyira hari wentane so eri ahari begging na benefiting on your brand.
So omuriya yo batokano jezo
etikuzaore itwe nyoweje sha I benefit on my brand. I have worked for it. Mwati nyoni mpika hantu
tobakaza buri yonga bayida
no abwenje batakuza abantu wayika hantu umuntu karana just bezi nijo stamate be yanje benho warira ben tunywe hamwe echo nchimensa benefiting on brand not begging. Konkiyo wareba ngo niwe uri kubanza washaba you are begging please So uyagabwa ka China Sparks nabakutureba eco kubanza nyenda nsime ka China ikintu cyatandikireho kandi nora press conference akatuja ngo nicerekerera kuja kitungure talent zone za Western Uganda na Munonga abaryo mu comedy sector na wajera biyasiga nora gape ryagati ya ka China na nabandi ba comedian zo mu Western Uganda
uzo wa kabiri nakubora
Munonga ninko kwa kubajya first floor aza karine rya forozi nka 50
Munonga because nabakubuza comedian wa kabiri nakubora
wachereba yet we have people who can be funny
like nkareba Karian Kaimana nanka
the people there who are funny, who can make comics, who can make comedy, who can do something mukashemererwa kaga makasheka tiwabo nkaba Karian Kaima nobwa ko ogusamu wenyine can do something
wenyine
just ntwetaga kugira ngo tubafune berundane hamwe nkoko muhanji yaba kwasere ba nora Maria Chakadi umbyeye bya karaoke Maurana Android ni baryo mbyabo ba Madrat buryo maryo mcye konka kubaye rundine hamwe baja shouting voice so tubahereza attention. That's how comedy store yagurutse hati nyowambu
narona nabantu cyo ko masara ntabarfane but tabar comedians kugira ngo tubakaje nka professional tibine platform yo kugira ngo bari recognizing as comedians. For example no teka nka these skits zabakunana na neza bakora can they be comedians?
Yeah, it's possible they can even make a very good duo
by the way
Maurana Android
very
serious
Something msinga the same time they are doing
ebintu
nabo jang comedy ya Western Uganda tebene bora mekintu echo
noreba comedy no wasa kucheta comedy konka chiri mekintu changu it can be acting noreba Fun Factory actually to me nyewe Fun Factory is better than comedy store to me.
Fun Factory you know rango ibintu even Karurio it's not stand up comedy
so
you act but you act funny
so when wajeta tragedy something like that.
It's a comical, it's a theater. Nishinda chikwachi comical but still chiri acting.
Ngaruke nimbahereza no manyo ninshoma Munonga. So tindi nkabara bakwashame batakumanya. So ati ninye expect yangonkeje shaha ejeji obuyaga bwa kacayi no bukacayi natandekere nebuza kuyamba talent ziriyo ziri ati manya no basa kushango murinyi ndikubasa kora comedy ngaika konkanta kuchimanya so nchiza kuyamba abantu uncovering hidden talents in us ako muntu woryo noreba it is art nechintu changu if you can be an MC nchimanyisa ngo muntu yakustamiraje akakutangoma you can sing kubarene bakwate bigambo bya Museveni bakatukora mechesho ngoro kachi kabacho so nchereka ngo nitubani twetaga kugira ngo ufune opportunity then that thing inside you chebe uncovered chiruge so ateje shaka no manya there is one time obumpandika ha Facebook page yanje naja ntinkeje shaha niyo nanye ne sente zanje abantu aza nkagamba nabo bakikiriza eje shanka kwata sente zanje nkafuna theater niyo nindabagiga bari abine sente batakuma kuzukozesa nkafuna theater yanje nkaronda Kachina nkaronda Speed nkaronda Rutaba nkaronda Kabagambe nkaronda Ivan Murunji nompura nkaronda ogogu Chichabenoni bazore
najireyo ya ticket nazikuzere ndiyo mission stamate
bazore nkaronda Chichabenoni ogo nibamweta Patrick ogo kushome santari okafuna yo Katugambe Jack Kaziri arino ndijo mukaza ari kuzichira kubanje ne bamutemba ndeje hati wisha babantu nang nubwo ko tajiro ndimunimbara corporate class bitari mu badikura simyanye bitende biki ya tingwenda tugaruko mu rubiri ya
abo wagambiro nyona
kujaranti nimbasa kwija obunku banafu nabo nyije mbate munka mashweko na life way mfune yo nakabariga ukakora show nobwe kubera monthly nobwe kubera week radio show nene ekora every week
acting nechintu kiri very professional by the umuntu yana acting are funny nsinga no muntu gamba
so abantu obwiro bwinje ni bantu babura ideas nkezo konka Kachayi no bwa rugero yakachitandika katu expecting n'ebindi nk'ebyo nakuba nabireba okuyaho. It was the first show of its kind kwijo mu Western Uganda. Challenges ezabiremu nche, we can't blame them. Kandi ekindi ekinarebereho abeshongozi, don't think that you're going to dominate this obuyaga bwa Kachina. You'll be given an opportunity. Nyotindi mu camp ninga timere munech organizing konka. I think you'll be nimuza kuguma mufune opportunity konka. If you go there bakakuja ngo turi muntu kutaho comedian ninga actor, take it simple. Tingo bantere chikono taro chikono.
That is a comedy show by the abeshongozi batware kugira ngo bananke ba escorting
eso tukabatera made in Mbarara muze kweshongoro
cyo nani chimanya. I never saw that coming though. So then still chaka China that was nice. Yes, katera show ho rubare yona yaboga. Now to kutwabe turi kaho turijere butaka sesere nobody na Awesome na MTN batahosaga. At first I thought it was a stunt, but kuna izire kuza kuchireba kuza kusanga ibintu biruri sagejo kajihuriraho.
I think everyone ninja kuchijera bintu bona bakateka it's a stunt. Kandi to be open, I haven't said anything about it, neither on my social handles or everywhere, cause reka tubanze twebuze show ejo fryer ya show nejera ngwenche nobody events and Awesome presents. Kuyarize kushore ejo poster after like a week. He has our NBS as main sponsor.
They are not main sponsors. Our NBS, Galaxy na MTN bakija ba nanka ba sponsors, but not ekintu chono. Of course Rage nanka nobody events na Awesome bona bategesi. Then MTN, Galaxy FM, NBS abo bona ba sponsors bwenka.
Cause as if na first press conference getari ya NBS.
Yes, ya NBS.
So ati nchanche ka NBS niyo official, nobwo ko in event yo na no in official sponsor, nobwo ko program nkeji. If we get sponsors naro official sponsor. So nchimanisa nti kere yijiremu na ntakonjero. It's not good right now kushanga we are discussing such a stuff shweta kabireho tukugenda ngo ebe successful.
Of course just to reba kurijira bitu ahurire no what does it ni chandika statement chi so yerabo, because nabagera here's the thing by the abantu abari ko batakuturira before we complicate you ekintu kirungu nobody na blaming MTN kuguza tickets ekazishara haza ejo ekazita discount kusanga ngo hato ordinary bena kutayira meche ebiri momo nakusoro mutwaro oweche 5 abinakusere bene strike kandi ujuke ngo ejo decision nobody najara ngo eta kujimanyaho kandi ntekateka ngo azan events organizer ashemeye ko bari part of every decision making procedure ninga step yone bakutera.
What was the agreement between Nobody and Awesome?
Here's the thing now.
On the event, bo bakiciriza nangu Awesome nekora chi, Nobody nakora chi.
By the way, Nobody na owning full rights zechivu. Chirinka Rage echivu bakatweto bakambwena bakamuhesente. Tinkagamba chigambe chenimba sachigamba ko bekiteruke kandi nyanto bakachugura. So echivu bakamuhamaka sente. So Nobody ya booking a venue.
Ati manya nanye ntona
yagarika yakora branding and marketing, posters, billboards, banners.
No Sparks, I want us to be clear kujana no mureba acengeje nechona abantu zandikubuza poster ne jangu Awesome and Nobody Events presents. Why is it not Nobody Events presents?
No. Toka present ngo muyimba tari no buza shows zone za Spice Diana bachi management shimye kubera hamutwe oba niyo watchitege ka wenka poster nene jera, because that is a rule most graphic designers bono bachamanya. No bwakuba tokureba nka no yakuba baram yakutegeka Paraso under kama Ivan ajangu Baram Events and kama Ivan presents Paraso, because Paraso no brand under kama Ivan and kama Ivan echivu tezire chitechero muyonke chine muchi Baram Events.
These are different things. Nyo nimba saku yumukeje sha to be open to you. Nategeko omukoro gwanje, I'm inviting the artist to come and perform. Nyonyi n'ekivuru kyanje katugere ngu banyankore tumanyane live in concert. Nayita Roy G as main act. Do I need to put there Awesome?
No. Achokuchiri. Because this is a one man show by the way. Just abandon baza kwizera arabazo. Tujye kuyiciriza ngo it's a one man.
So why is it that the artist is going is akuba nyochi ba omukubanza nyone chivure chinkabanza kwanga kuchigamba. Kuna yanjire Nisha one time I was talking to Josh, manager wa Roy. Na mjanto gambiro mshija wa watu sente ntimwe mukadya. I want to be open timwe mukadya so gambiro mshija wa nobody atwe sente. Tobone gambari Roy G live in concert. Tinimbasa kushoza cheshongoro ntiteyo. But I want to talk about the event. It's a business now. Where am I gaining from? So yanjerati show we are taking part to jirimunitwe. Tudirimu na nobody. So you're helping us nko muntu ututwire ntumanye. Ningashi nobody kara kurebe nko muntu nabwe warabo. Watching. So this is why I'm like the show is bona bajirimu. Ko sentence barakore amuryango no hora zitware.
Now that is a different agreement. Kuya honchurjera ticket sales nzizigezoa. Sponsors in one approaching. Because according to nobody, Roy G ningas Awesome no yenda bakwatagana na those sponsors kuya kugira ngo bakasa at time ya decision events organization yakuba direct ashamiye kuba
decision.
Yes, because Roy G no yabwine NBS, Roy G no yabwine Galaxy, Roy G no yabwine MTN mama because yes batwire ne bakorana wo munankani ombe every jire henyama but kuchaka a time ya meru kujanka hati kusakora decision ya MTN momo kuguza tickets. Your decision akajikora in the absence of a promoter. Do you think it's right?
In the absence of promoter. That's why I asked the agreement between Nobat and Awesome. Boba kichirizana ngogunakuta muchi ogunakuta muchi ogunakuya muchi ogunakuya muchi.
It's not clear but noreba Nobati when arwana nura kujuruka kwa gamba there must be something which akurwana kandi ndeba Roy G kurujuru kwa gambere because nyunga zako zero something abena na shango providing a credit ngata soborire cone cyabireho because wagambere ngusimanyi ngo shoneza gumza mbichi ngata gambere what yes show yero and it's on 10th May konka hatiya tatusoborire kumanye cyabireho cyanyine niki konke onoteka teka ngo events organizer kukora decision in the absence of an events organizer. Is it right?
It may I have two answers. It may be right or it may not be right. Why? Kurujera agreement yabo kwe kugamba. Kubanyowe tinkumanya agreement ya Awesome na Nobody negamba cicyenyine. Kuya ati Roy G atwire na MTN, atwire na NBS na Galaxy na Zio. So karazere siratebo. And companies nizimanyo kuzitwire nzikora na artist.
But now this is a different point.
Watch yes, I'm coming to you. Nizimanyo kuzitwire nzikora na artist. Secondly, if I first go to an artist nawe nko muntu nobwa kuborode hati yashashwirwe ekivuru kikafroping ne sente zwa muhirenzi baso ntamjero mugasho
Of course not a piece the ziriya.
watchenga so ekivuru cha fropinga wa brand ye yagwa ondisho promoter taramutegeke you get it brand yagaruke nyuma ekibane respecting acho cyaba so right now nanye no mungu bande artist I will make sure that I fight for my brand. Ejesha Nobody, if I go to Nobody na wena abasa kubashikira. Why? Akatamu sente ze. So ati na wena arwana sente ze zikoreke zigaruke. Ntoro muno rebera na complaining ngo MTN yashara ordinary ticket. When I get back to Nobody tina ninjeza ho gamba neche. Ari muno complaining ngo MTN shazere ordinary tickets. Akuba wena areba ngo ashikire kufune cebiri ce ya muryango nece etano ce but iwenka promoter otegekero mweshongozi wo kumangu ni we leading artist mu Western Uganda omutegekere Kampala mu Central nobwa kuba muntu raruge kunuya akaza Kampala mu shoejo nataza yabwa nobody nayaza yabwa naza kuhagera umweshongozi we. And you're forgetting there is an opportunity kuja nimbasa kundaruga cyaba successful nimbasa garuka nkore nawe 40 kanda ingaruke nkore sente zitari muzo kushara ordinary
watachanje tachine hose
nimbasa kuruga nze kacika umweshongozi ogwe mutegeko umweshongozi Royji yatera rugogo no bakuzama abantu mutwaro nana korofayinga kwija kutera kacekeje. So nobody nawena asakubara munarwanira sentence. But if it is true, their argument is like I must be there on every decision made, then camp ya artist na yone ko ziremesho.
Even if this was a sensitive decision, even if no wakamutanache, but as a stakeholder, because events organizer na when stakeholder argeji concert
nyontwire na tata wanje wanziri ati tata wanje erizoba ndimuni nkushwera konkiwe anko orihi ati anko wanje niwe nabanza kugenda nawe nkahi okuchwerwe njugano kutwaturiyo kutwatujyo muhanda tukugenda na tata wanzire yije niwe yankurize kandi wari kuma ebitu nomuka no ari kuma obugiga bwomuka so yije yakaho akajati konki 20 basentina anko wanje tokuremera hote ni twamushanju
but no mukigani but kokano mukigani iraho na wari hwanko wako twe
turuhwa
now that's why the problem is also amukora decision no batataro hobuzoburi but twine enough even naniza kutera nobody atugamba but ni mangu nobody kunda amutere chiche nangu tutunge views kurgo mu side zone so I won't side with one because unoza kutera nobody akujira tukachasi gom argument bari bakujya mukashitara so it's better kujya
no kuna birebire Josh kantera midnight nambuza ntikonke ntikonka muri muno tukore biki tenyo ko byanshobera ajati atechikuru show eriyo. So fani waro no tinkuza kujana nakabadi konka tikabadi ebinte biri serious
barugom fantasy
ni nyo chinkureba nobody kubareba kwasire are bad tickets bakazirurizinga amuryango ne kubirye ibiri ticket kandi chinkweka kasaje MTN kwereje zereti twasharawe 15
basizuro mutwaro
gona nchimanisa ngo buri ticket erashora MTN ejiguzira umutwaro fani nakutaho umutwaro that is 20k
kuchirigesho kwata kuyomba because kumuyombe
ngira ngutakuchimanya
ato akabira obutachimanche akabe abirgo mpati ya decision making yo kwikari yecho so that's why now yanti how at going house now then
intera judge njero umuntu wena either nobody or Royji intakwira judgment ninga final judgment about this thing no kujaranti we don't know what they agreed on tukumanya bakichereza nachi so ati to abari ahero aba propaganda. Thank you so much. It creates talkability about the show, though I would wish us to focus on its positive side kujanti show ebe successful yaheza twatugya kubosya tubosyeje konka it is nitija kubati tushasha right now twajitandika romuntu omwe tuwadize show ya Rasta Chazi akija tinguza kumushereka konka kamureke tinkunda kumentioninga names na mnonge bitine makuru tinku bya makuru akija yakora toka video show ya Chazi terakore abwe chineci ati norebechi terakore tibari
right. That's not right even if I blogger no blogecho araho kuba warenze sa toka ekitaka shireho no bazere kachibaho ujo sabora
so ati twija ejeshaha nico natandika ndikujanti nichinshasha kushanga turi muntu gamba ahari default ningashi ebizibe biryo mu preparation za show ya Royji Rugogo etakabiro ekikuru wori fan wa Royji wori fan wa Western Uganda music ni obano mukunda obato kumukunda. This earns a credit the success of that show tuna ntufunam.
Okay, so now
let us go there and support him just.
Okay, so then now tubetshiriya still on the 10th May 2024 Omega 256 yategeka show Ishaka, then Kansala Harmony came out and he had that Kansala Harmony according Kansala Harmony najirangu Omega umwanya go kuza ebiri ko kuba rugogo wa supportinga Rage habwenshi we argakaza kutegeka show yishaka. And this brings me to a question. So ya Rage kwe kuberoho ncumanyisa ngo abandi beshongo zibona naba booking n'abata booking bona bino ku holdinga shows zabo. What was he trying to mean?
Cyo kubanza chabyona Omega, thank you so much for Omega ine cyakoze raza chango na munonga female side.
Omega otakuchereba echo otakuchereba no takwenda kuchereba.
I give her a credit and I appreciate her and she knows it very well. Niyo mumbanta bakumusupportinga bakumwitiririza okuyaho no kujangu abantu nibahika barebere ibintu side yabo babura kubuza kugira ngo bamenye why are you doing this. Nico nabe nagambira ari Jojo Bana. So Omega twine kumanti buryo mwa ine biroto bye oine chiroto chawe Sparks bazini nyine chanje Roija ine che Omega ine che Asumana ine che. That is why ati twagaruka nako sa example nyuni nkunda ko sa relevant example abantu ababe baryo mu promotion na DM swaga katugambe ba Alpha bingana ba Shifa Pro ba Desmatic Pro ba Unique Promotions na DM swaga obwirobwe ba Fahadi nibindi konkate jesha DM swaga ari munakwesimba nka cancer LC5 cancer. So ati
in short amwana nanda ko Mariantonde arakwanda ko Masaka akwanda ko Kampala. So tino wokuchubura.
Why am I bringing this? Buryo mwa ine chirotochi kandi ekindi success is a collection of experiences. Me nyoku rugombuto I had a dream of becoming a media personality na mnonga TV host, but how can I achieve it? Nibyunda biremo warahurire obe yazini yazo mu studio yayo shongora konka. It wasn't it kujangu tikati gichiroto.
You always wanted to end up here.
I knew and everything was planned. I do music, I connect to MVP, I connect to DM Swaga, I connect to who and who. Naweza kubai kamu ntandike chinkwenda. They already know me.
Now
if I come back to Omega na wenko munta inechero toche kandi Omega okuya ayinkwaho kana nawe enjere yajere ntakuramu no kujangu. There is this character yari muna building up yechiburi tinkumanya banomfuna chiburi yeah. I don't like that character I myself kandi nintigarukamu ejo character anu ya tekoraho.
So reka nkubuze kibuzo manya Omega before you say ngo anurure cause nyize ni nkora taraho series ngumene nkora to series za nankaniza a series of events ezo jangu amweche mjangu aranurure. For example now kansaramu na benagira ngo takoze tine ngutakusupportinga Rage. Did you know ngo Omega eshingo nchigamba with proof last 3 shows zona za Rage yo university ini ya ajipu 3 shows zona za Rage Omega zona bena performing. Did you know that ngo batakufuna na 10 but atakuzenda tuja ngona understand that is support. Even na this show akajipostinga. So eventually now hatia the bloggers abakurga aside they are awesome. Ebya Omega nibyo
agenda koresha Omega kandi abara batajire rugogo bagende bamusupporting okuyaho nanye nko muntu niba basa kuba bamuhire sente and she is doing a business. Music is a business, she has to go and work. Konka kare na basa kujerenjere ndije ya supporting roe rugogo na mu supporting na roe yana basa supporting ogukunu am supporting and life moves on.
Okay, that's simple. Rugogo kajanga baza bataraze rugogo bazisha
kashata bara base kuza rugogo we go there. It's a win for us all.
Na isakano win for us.
Yeah, it's a win. It's a konkaru no aroti kuchire chindi
obana mpango baninji
nakubi nobi ateje koti ningana na t-shirt beyed
tsa wagira ngo abarukura hatu wagambura uri no ikuno yakanse wajanga bara base kuzisha
chintiri
buri omaza
iwe kora arebe ngonda kuza kusupportinga rwe jendo mu supporting wana ku supportinga Omega, go and support Omega. Simple.
So of course ogwe yabari behazini of course ko kuyatugambira shonga twatwinezo obuyaga bwa China twabugambaho twagamba abya Nobert na Rage amwe na nebya Rage na nebya Omega tutegeka ekivuro muri Isaka on the same date with Rage's Rugogo concert ebigambo byawo byamuhera bakutureba
ebigambo byamuhera bakutureba mwonjere gumana muri Ankole Media kandi muberwede we are planning for you better things better ones rakagambo kama kunkwenda gamba eje shaha speed growth and development yituruho ninga shinyo kangambe nyo yindu ndya 5G nakubugana utiryo mu 4G ninda barubaju nyoti ngbaruho tikweda kwese ba muntu
of course
ekindi wano tambura ukabuga netsika abwe ntinondo kitomero uri kukireba rabahando jindi
so para boss team bargo no stambiciramo
buri muntu we naryo ko uri kukira kweki ko mihanda ya mutahi weye tinkwenda mweki ko mihanda y'abandi kandi abandi nibete mamaguru babureminga abantu ngo babazibire kutambura
obebye kandi abyegire nka ibyo tinkumanya habyiro bana bitankaye
yewe nakugera nti nibaza kuncenga bwa nyuma I always have points na my analysis if you can't nichanche taga deep great thinkers aba shallow minds ni baba barya mpora otherwise we love you. This is Ankole Media. We are there super graphics na brand graphics tokora graphics
ngezikora tizuru super ninzirangira za status
come through mwije muhagire super electronics and library kandi aroti aba promotion abakwenda views abakwenda following YouTube byona honorable DM Swaga konkashikarazo mu rutiko
nako bisijira yasoma
ubunane zubwatora abe bwinji
nako bisijira yasoma
abarwampara omushija bataringa ya murebe kandi ubururu buri muni bukwika nyendagambira ba bloggers ba influencers content creators get ready hariho mugati orusheke kandi umugiga wena
mampa yonko motora rotero okora nuraba
ata kamera nibakanya abantu bambarara ne bantamiso mururu
so orusheke ngustaka ta hama urwena huraretwe buri omwe hararura musanje hararunywere
be a brand Asumani, thank you so much ukozero muri mu muhango of savage muhango munonga
nagwagondogora
chizibunaremera connection zabishiki
okuseka no kuno muna abantu sparks na ina savage ya kamera siwe ni serious